Today's star of the shave is PAA CAD. Stay tuned for a golden shave. Hi, my name is Jason. You can find me on Instagram as the Golden Age Wet Shaver. Today I'm doing the Razor Company Shave and Chat. And today, the star of the shave is PAA's CAD. I'm also using a Never Alone 3 brush with a synthetic knot. My trusty TRC lather ball. And my razor I'm using is the RazoRock Goat. It's a Mercur 34C homage. It's a 3-piece compared to the original one's 2-piece, and the blade I'm using is a Gillette 7 o'clock black. Wow, so how's everyone doing? Look forward to hearing what you're shaving with or eating with or anything on your comments. Oh man, I am so honored and happy that I finally got this PAA CAD. It's like one of the staples in the community. Let me know what you think about it. Oh my god, it smells so clean and fresh. Oh my god, I feel like I'm in a barber shop. It is a barbershop scent, and I forgot what's it homage or dupe of, but I'm basically, my scent profile, I'm illiterate, okay? I'm a functional, wet shaving, scent profile, illiterate person. I keep it real with you. I taste this before. This isn't tasting lather or snacking lather. This is more of a shave lather. Oh my god, this scent and this beautiful lather. Let's shave. Oh, so I want to chat about something. And it's basically one or two words. Really 2 words. It's consistently persistent. That's what I want to focus on throughout this whole chat. I've been working on trying to focus on things with my therapist in various mental health groups and peer specialists. And I tend to jump around from one topic to one topic, but I want to try to focus that I could be more centered on one, and being persistently persistent or consistently persistent. I want to talk about like that. And even though things may not go your way in life, hey, but that's life, people say. Just still go at it. Don't give up, because you don't know if you were just like a yard away from it or inches away from succeeding what you wanted to do. That's what I want to share with you today. And I had a couple of setbacks again, but knowing that I have the love and support of a community, I know I'm persistently consistent on that. It makes it feel like, okay, I can brush off, get back on the horse, or get back on the path. I'm going to keep him on the path of life, and I'm going to keep chugging away, knocking on the doors until I find the right door that opens up for me and what I need. What's your opinion on that? God, this smells so good. So glad I got this. Oh man, I really needed a shave. So yeah, tell me what advice you would do to keep on persisting being consistent. Consistently persistent, persistently consistent. Flip the words around, it still has the same message. Not all the time. Sometimes you flip words around, it can mean a different thing. But yeah, that's what I wanted to share about my shave and chat experience, and how, for me, a good shave could turn almost anything. I said almost anything, not everything, but just knowing that I'm taking care of myself, I'm focusing in on something I'm doing that I like, and that really brings up my spirit. So yeah, that's what I wanted to let people know. It's okay to struggle. It's okay to fall and fumble. You're not judged by that. You're judged on what you do afterwards. You get up. You keep pushing through. You don't let bad news hurt you. You think about the positive things and the love and support you have. And that's what helps me. I'm not speaking for everyone. When I do these shaving chats, I'm speaking for myself. Who I am, what I want to be, what I want to attain. How I want to grow as a person. And that's what I want to be conveyed in these videos or whatever you see me at. God, this is such a good, beautiful lineup. Oh. And remember, you may feel like you're alone right now, but you're not alone. There are people out there that love and support you and want to see you succeed. And yes, there are people out there that don't want to see you succeed, that don't want to support and love you. And you know what? Right over there, you can see them spotted away, and you push them aside, and you just go to your own path and stay with those who love and support you the most. Not the most, but consistent, persistently consistent in you. And you'll see your life grow. I mean, this is my personal experience. I know we all have a different path and way to look at things, a different perspective. But I wanted to share that with you. It's something in my heart. Wanted to talk about this for a long time. Oh man, I just love this lineup I set up. And yeah, I just been feeling like no matter what happens, I know in 2026, it's either going to be the start of something great or I'm going to find something great. And that's why I keep repeating in my head, persistently consistent or consistently persistent in my head. You're going to succeed. You're a winner. And it's changed my outlook on things so much, and having people check up on me, it just makes a world of a difference. And I want to thank you, my wet shaving family. I love you all. There's a big part in my heart that's carved out for you and my soul. Oh man. Whew, this smells so good. Oh my God. I wish YouTube or some internet company comes with a smelling feature on your device. Oh, I know everyone has a different smell and smell profile and what they like and what they don't like, but oh my God, I wish people could smell more of this. Let me finish up wiping down and put the splash on. Whew. Little shake, shake, shake. Consistently persistent shaking. Ooh. I want to be generous in this baby. Ooh. Let's see how I did with the shave. No stings, no zings, bada bing. And of course, a little testament, my little ear pierce fell out, and just keep on moving along. Pick it up, put it back in the ear, and wow. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. Let me go over the lineup again. I used that Never Alone 3 brush with a synthetic knot, my trusty TRC lather ball, the RazoRock Goat Razor, which is an homage to the Mercur 34C, a Gillette 7 o'clock black, and today's star of the shave is PAA's CAD. Wow. Oh, my bougie sprayer. Wow. Thank you for staying to the end, and if you have any time at 9 a.m., Eastern Time Zone Saturday, go to Instagram, either to the Razor Company or the Razor Company Live. For all your wet shaving needs, go to therazorcompany.com. And remember, stay persistently consistent in your path. You will make it and you will succeed. Have a great life.